Hi, good day from here in Korvik Forest in North Norway. Uh, this time I am walking inside the forest together with our English setter dog named Kumpis. Yeah. I made this video today. It's 25th of January, Sunday. I don't know the exact time, probably 1 or 2 p.m. So I decided to film today because uh, cold outside, but it's okay. Sun is there, just a little wind and no rain. So what you could ask for? So enjoy little things. All right, guys. Let me know what else you wanted to see in my YouTube channel. Well, as you can see, I wear a cowboy hat. I am into cowboy things and stuff, interests. Although for now we don't have a horse, but in the future, who knows. And for those who have the same interest with me, and yeah, maybe we have a lot of things to talk, to comment, to share, let me know in the comment. But for now, this is my random video. So there's our dog there. It's Kumpis, 9 9 years old, a boy. Yeah, so it's very good to have a companion, especially adventure. Or yeah, by the way, normally I have my husband with me, but this time he has a visitor, so she couldn't go with us. A little uphill. So anything would you would like to know more about me, just comment your question in in this video. And if I have a time, because right now I am going to school. It's a by the way, I live here in North Norway. I'm into school, kind of busy, but if I have time, I'm gonna make a video regarding your question, why I got here, things that I did. Yeah, I am very much willing to share. I am very much willing to help. Okay, no matter where you are in the world, for as long as you can relate to my video, we have the same perspective, we have the same we call it mindset, things that we have a lot in common. So let me know, and for now, I'll bye bye.